Welcome to Learn and Expand New channel. My name is Stephen and here I am with a new video in Excel. Many of you have questioned, is there any formula where if I write a number in Excel, it will convert that number into words? Let's say if I type rupee 150 over here, it should automatically come as rupees 150 only. In the similar way, if I write 200 over here, it should automatically convert as in words 200 only. Actually, there is no such formula in Excel yet, but you can do it with some add-ins in Microsoft Excel with a small VBA script. You just have to copy and paste that VBA script in your workbook and you can then convert the number into words. So watch this video until the end and please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. Let's get started. I'll open a new Excel sheet over here. And over here you need to go to Developer tab and then click on Visual Basic and click on Insert and then on Module. Then new window will open. Over here just copy and paste the script and then close all the windows. So let us do. I have the script saved it in Word file. I'll just copy this entire script and then I'll paste it over here and I'll close this window and then again I'll close this window over here. I have given the script on the description column so that you can view this and download this on your workbook as well. Then you can save this file in a new Word or with the same name you can keep, but over here I'll save the file with name as numbers into words. I'll save it in desktop and over here in the file format, instead of Excel workbook you need to save as Excel macro enabled workbook. Click over here and then save. Now you type any values, let's say 150, 200, 300 and over here write equal to spell value, then open the bracket, then select the cell and then close the bracket. Enter. Copy this formula and paste it on other cells. Over here you can see that value numbers is in 150, the same number is in Word format. Isn't this interesting? But remember that the only disadvantage is that this VBA script is applicable to only this Excel sheet. You need to repeat it whole again when you want to do a new Excel sheet. Another way is that you can do a save as over here, rename the file with a new name and then clear all the contents of clear all the data of that a previous Excel sheet so that you don't have to repeat the whole exercise again. I hope you have learned something new today. This Excel file is more important for the people who are working in financial accounting. I hope you have learned something new today. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.